The feeding chart on your dog food bag is a rough guess, not a plan for your dog. Overfeed by even 10% and you're setting up joint problems and diabetes down the road. Here's how vets actually calculate a real nutrition plan in 5 steps. Step 1. Weigh your dog and note their life stage. Puppies, adults, and seniors burn calories completely differently, and a bathroom scale with you holding them works fine. Write down the exact number in kilograms, not a rounded guess. Step 2. Calculate resting energy needs using 70 times body weight in kilograms to the power of 0.75. That number is your dog's baseline calorie burn at rest before any activity is factored in. A calculator app makes the math instant. Step 3. Multiply by an activity factor. Neutered adults use about 1.6, active working dogs use 2 to 5, and growing puppies use 2 to 3. This gives you the actual daily calories your dog needs, not the bag's generic range. Step 4. Check the food label for calories per cup or can, then divide your daily total by that number. This tells you the exact portion size, and you can split it across 2 or 3 meals for steadier energy and digestion. Step 5. Reassess every 4 to 6 weeks by feeling your dog's ribs and waistline, not just watching the scale. Adjust portions up or down by 10% if you can't easily feel the ribs or if the waist tuck disappears. Pro tip: never eyeball portions with a scoop. Use a kitchen food scale for accuracy, since cut measurements can be off by 20% depending on how you pack them. What's your dog's daily calorie number? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.